What do you do if you want the ride comfort, the premium feel of a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, but in a sporty avatar? Simple, you get one of these. Hello and welcome to yet another DubiCars video. Today we are at Dubai 2000 in Sharjah and we are checking out the Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG Coupe. Well, it's two doors, it has a sporty feel. Without further ado, let's check it out. A sportier S-Class, and that is exactly what this is, and it shows in terms of the design also. Take a look at the lights, for example. They remind you of the S-Class because it is designed exactly like that. The grille is now blacked out. You've got this really cool 3D sort of logo in front, more like a hologram. It's really nice, it looks fancy, and also you've got the sporty splitter up front, so that sums up the design. From up front you've also got this long bonnet underneath which lies a really fancy engine. It's a big engine, we'll get to that in just a bit. Now it's time to check out the side profile of this vehicle, because on the side, well, it looks really nice. Now if you're into sporty coupes, this styling is definitely going to appeal to you, because just look at it, the two-door styling, the sloping roof line, the blacked out roof, and also the blacked out wheels. You've also got a red brake caliper, so that's really sporty indeed. And this amount of sportiness combined with the luxury that we're gonna see in just a minute. Flat bottom steering wheel, aluminium inserts, you've got leather all over the place, it's red and black contrasting interior, you've got the contrasting stitching on the seats and on the door panels, and then of course you've got these classy Mercedes-Benz dials, the buttons, the switches, the logos, and this huge screen. Now all of this in 2017 was a big deal, and well, it still is even in 2023, so this car is sporty and luxurious at the same time. The heart of the beast. Now this is the AMG engine that powers the S63 AMG Coupe, and this one is a 5.5 litre bi-turbo unit, produces 577 horsepower and 663 Nm. It's mated to a 7-speed automatic gearbox. It also has all-wheel drive, Mercedes-Benz's 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, and well, in terms of the performance, well, you can't really come close to this one in terms of a luxury coupe. Now that was the Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG Coupe for you. Well, if you're interested in a car like this, head to DubiCars.com right now, because you will find this particular S63 AMG Coupe and more like it from Dubai 2000 and more on DubiCars only. So head there right now, find it, buy it, and that's it from us for now. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.